I think the first thing for an analyst would be assume that you need to explain everything you wrote or everything you present to someone who is not an Excel modeler. Um, Very often we have new analysts that will come in and someone asks them why, and they'll give an Excel answer, like this formula is doing this, that formula links to this formula, and no, most people in the banks won't be interested in that. So they sort of need to explain. And it's also a very good error check. If you find that you have to explain all your sensitivity results to someone, then by definition, you will check whether they're sensible, whether it makes sense that interest is that component of your debt service. So if you increase interest rate, is that roughly the right proportion that should move the ratios a certain way? You go through all that mental checks rather than just treat the Excel model as a black box and spit out some results. So I think that is really important. And the second thing is what I said before: chase down every little discrepancy that you find. I mean, uh, don't feel that is small enough, is good enough. Yeah, those would be my two.
I love it. I like the first one particularly. It's a good way you phrased it. I'm definitely stealing that.